Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the YAOBLUESEA 200 to 30 centimeter outer car headlight and taillights tint film. It's a self-adhesive vinyl wrap. It's sheets, and it is possible to get this in black, in red, in 200 to 30 centimeter and 200 to 40 centimeter. You can see it's really cool after you install this taillights tint. It's not so difficult. You can handle this, of course. And then you have a nice tinted area on your car, for example on the headlight or on the taillights. Outer car film protection with accessories. No fade, no scratch anymore, because there is a foil over your surfaces. It's suitable for any headlight, fog lights, rear lights, side markers lights, or even the top parts of the windshield. It's waterproof. It comes to a smooth surface. It's stretchable if you make it a little bit warm with a heat gun. It's easy to remove with no residuals. The color is light black, so you can see it's tint a little bit the area. The material is synthetic polymer, that is PVC film. The size in this case is 200 to 30 centimeters, so you can cut it like you need it. It can also be used at home or other places. It can be stretched and shaped with a heat gun to avoid air bubbles, of course. We clean the surface with rubbing alcohol prior to installing the vinyl to aid in adhesive and to remove any contaminants that may cause the imperfections. With a hot air dryer, for example, it can help the installation by making the vinyl more flexible and also helping to remove the wrinkles. Using a soft rubber squeegee helps to smooth out blisters and wrinkles if it is necessary. It's a sunscreen, it is waterproof, comes with a good transparency, as you can see. We do not hurt the lights with it, and it leaves no glue after you remove it. Anti-acid rain, ultraviolet light, and other common corrosions. Scratch proof, it holds the car as it is. It protects the original car, of course. It blocks common corrosions, damage such as acid rain and grease. It prevents our headlights from scratching and oxidation. We have a good stretching function, high fit with car body strong and sturdy. It prevents the lamp from aging or cracking too. It comes with a good light transmission, strong light transmittance. It does not affect the original car light source. It does not affect the safety of driving at the night, and it's easy to install. It can be used for 5 to 7 years. And it's a top adhesive. High adhesive, quick release without residue. Suitable for DIY operations and easy to replace. We does not need glue or other things to attach this. No glue residue. Easy peasy, as you can see. You can install it. Use a hot air gun for a better installation, and after you bring it in form a little bit, you have the shape reached, then you need a sharp knife to cut the edges, and then you have a halo around your headlight or your taillights, for example, or other areas where you like to install this device or this car tint film. It's an YAOBLUESEA outer car headlight and taillight tint film, self-adhesive vinyl wrap for our cars and other objects too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.